this video, I show you how to simulate the compressor in Aspen HYSYS. The aim of this simulation is to determine the power and the outlet temperature of the compressor at a pressure ratio of 2. For the start the simulation, let's move to Aspen HYSYS. For the start simulation, click on Create New Case. And in the components list, we need to define our components. So click on Add. In this example, we have only the methane, so select the methane and now click on Add. In this example, we have only the methane, and methane is a hydrocarbon, so we select P. Robinson equation as a thermodynamic package, so click on Add, and now select the P. Robinson equation. Okay, now let's move to simulation. In this section, we need to define our equipment because we have a pressure changer or the compressor, so we select pressure changer and select the compressor and drag it into the flow sheet. Okay, now double click on the compressor. In this section, we need to define our stream. So we have an inlet stream and also an outlet stream. So here first we define our inlet. Okay, then we define outlet. Also, we need to define the energy or the power of the compressor. So it's P. Okay. Now let's move to parameters. And here we need to define our the pressure ratio, that is value is 2. So we use 2. Okay. Now we need to define our inlet specification. So double click on inlet. Okay, the inlet temperature is 25. The pressure is 7,000 kilopascal, and the molar flow rate of the stream is 100 kilomole per hour. Okay, now click on composition, and the mole fraction of the methane is 1 because we have only the methane for this stream. Okay, so we use 1 for the mole fraction, and now click on OK. As you see, the simulation has been completed, and now we can check the outlet temperature and also the power that's required for the increase the pressure of the inlet stream from 7,000 kilopascal to the 14 kilopascal. So as you can see, the power of the compressor that's required is 61.31 kilowatt. And also for the check the outlet temperature, double click on outlet, and in this section you can see that the temperature is 92.07 degrees C. That is our temperature for the outlet stream. Okay, thank you for watching the video.